sure. Nice and cold and all of that good stuff. But Bruce still chilling out here with the leaves on the back and everything. But yeah, we're gonna touch on you in just a second. And today we're going to be updating you guys on the oil catch can that I installed. We're going to see how much has collected. It's been about 3 weeks since I've installed it, and I also want to update you guys on how everything's been going with the fuel system cleaner that I added a little while ago. And I personally think so far Bruce has improved a little bit, but we'll go over that in just a second. So first thing I'm going to do is set my stuff down, pop the hood, and see if we can get this oil catch can release unscrewed, because it was a little tight. So we'll see how it goes. Sorry for any wind noise you guys hear. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. Oh yeah, I can. Hey, alrighty, lift that up just a little bit more, and here we have the catch can. I'm gonna follow my written instructions on the top, and that's the thing with you guys. If you see that gold piece, that's what I need to unscrew to release and see if there's any oil in there. Got my little cup to catch the oil if there's any. We'll see. And I haven't driven the car in at least a day, so I'm not taking a chance by accidentally releasing hot oil. Oh, but yeah, I already see some coming out. As soon as I loosen this up, so I definitely went to go get some pliers, because I don't think I can get that thing unscrewed with just my hands, which is good. That means it's on there pretty tight. Loosen it that way. It's in such an awkward spot that once I open it, I don't want to like accidentally drip any oil anywhere. The bad thing is this these pliers, the air intake box is like right in the way of me trying to get this open, so that's fun. Alright, so after finally fighting to get that drain plug unfastened, this was all the oil that came out, and I guess that's a good thing, honestly. Like I said, it's been about 3 weeks since I've installed the catch can, so you know, I'm not sure how much I was expecting. I guess I was expecting to maybe at least it fill the bottom, but you know, like I said, I guess that's a good thing. So there's the update on the oil catch can. Otherwise, seems to be performing nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car to make sure I fastened everything down nice and tight and make sure it sounds all right. Hear any sounds, not too much air or anything. Hear a little bit of air, but I mean, I don't think that's going to be an issue. Make sure no oil is leaking out of there, so I think it sounds normal. Air intake working. All right. So what I'm going to do, let Bruce warm up. It is like 49 degrees out here. So once I let him warm up, I'm gonna go on a drive, and I'm actually gonna pick up some lunch, but we can talk about all the other updates of the fuel system cleaner and the performance improvements that I've noticed. So let's go ahead and jump in the car in just a second. So we're gonna do a slight first gear, second gear, third gear transition for the first time. Bruce has been idling for about the last 5 minutes or so. Because this is where I was having hesitation, was from third gear into fourth gear, it seems, in the automatic mode. Well, didn't do it there at all. We look at my temps for everything. Everything's looking pretty good. So as you see, I don't think anything looks abnormal. Yeah, felt fine there. So the other thing I was noticing was sometimes when I try to accelerate, say if he's in a lower gear and I want to get up to speed for any reason, seems like it was a little slow to catch. That hasn't been as bad as it first was, I guess. So I kind of want to be optimistic and think that the fuel system cleaner actually helped, but I really don't know. Like, it's just really hard for me to say because like there's no significant improvement, but at the same time there is still an improvement since I've added the oil catch can and since I've done the fuel system cleaner. So maybe it did help. And honestly, what I would like to do is do another round of the fuel system cleaner just to make sure if there was any buildup or anything like that it's gone for good. And on the bottle it said they recommend you use the fuel system cleaner like every 3,000 miles or something like that, but I don't know. I would like to run it through again just to see, and I'll probably get one for the Jeep as well because it's been a while since I've used it on the Jeep. So but yeah, no hesitation from third into fourth like I had before. Granted, it is 49 degrees out here. The last time I did that and it hesitated was maybe a couple weeks ago, and it was still cold those days. So not bad at all. I don't know, it's hard to say. I really don't know if I've fixed my problem. As much as I would like to change out the spark plugs, check my coil packs, I'm just really afraid that I'm going to be doing unnecessary work and potentially paying for an unnecessary expense. Yeah, it seemed to hook up pretty good then, so I don't know. It's really weird. So like I said, if you guys have any suggestions of something that I could try that I haven't yet, as soon as this guy gets out of my way, don't mind my aggression. I apologize. I wonder if I could try a quick little pull here. And then I'm also going to play with it in manual mode. It might be hard because I didn't bring my windshield mount, so I would probably have to put my camera down if I tried it in manual so I can have access to the paddle shifters. But I think I'm good now. All right. Still, I don't know. Like, it's better, but it's still not quite what it was, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know. It's the weirdest thing to try to describe. And I really feel like, because, I've let other people drive it and they don't really notice anything wrong. But I guess it's because I basically daily drive this. So I notice if something's off. And I guess that's me just being, hyper cautious, paranoid, whatever. But I'm just like, if something's off, I want to try to fix it. And I'm going to try one more round of fuel system cleaner. And hopefully that will truly help. But it seems to be more responsive. And I also realized that it is a computer system, and if you drive the car more aggressively, it's going to try to adapt to how you drive. So the torque will probably improve. So I guess if I smash out at every single light, then it'll start performing better. So that because it's like I'm not trying to eat up all my gas and stuff. So you know, that could be a thing. I'm gonna switch to manual mode at this light really quick and then see if that has any type of throttle delay. Like I said, happy to see that there wasn't a lot of oil collected. If there was, I guess that would have been a larger problem, so I don't know. All right, first gear. About the same. I mean, manual mode is always typically more responsive, but yeah, I just noticed like a very, very slight delay. And it's hard to test this stuff when I'm kind of in traffic, so bear with me, but yes, downshifting instead of braking. Isn't that nice? Got the pops back. So after these pulls, temps are still normal. Car's definitely warmed up now. You guys can see all of those. So yeah, it's just a weird problem to have. Thankfully it doesn't seem like anything major. I haven't noticed any weird idling noises to make me think that it would be a spark plug or a bad coil. So yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna run fuel system cleaner through it one more time. I know in the directions they say to put the whole bottle in, run a full tank of gas right after that so it mixes well. I'm actually just gonna put like a half a tank because I want it to be as concentrated as possible without being damaging potentially. So try this one. A little second gear. That felt pretty good, actually. I'll give it that. That felt pretty good. Check out the old Mustangs for sale. Alright guys, well I hope that was enough of an update video for you. We're gonna see, you know, if anything positive or negative changes in the next couple days or so. I'll be sure to update you guys then and let you know. Hopefully nothing bad happens or anything, because certainly don't want that. But yeah, it is winter, or basically winter. It's December now, so in my eyes it's freaking winter. So I'm gonna be driving the Jeep more probably. Stay tuned for the next video. I am gonna be installing a fuel door on the Wrangler, because believe it or not, it doesn't come with one. So if any of you guys have a Jeep JK model and you want to install a fuel door and you want to know how, watch my video coming out soon. So make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications on so you can stay tuned for that. So make sure I'm in the higher RPMs. I try to listen for stuff too to make sure nothing sounds like it's too off. But don't shame me. I am at Panda Express. I think nothing's wrong with Panda Express, right? Y'all like Panda Express? Let me know. If y'all watched the whole video to this point, listen to my boring ass ramble, let me know, do you guys like Panda Express? Because that's what I'm getting for lunch. Hey! Don't judge me, I'm weird. So one more thing, as I'm sitting here in the drive-thru and the sound of the engines echoing off the wall, do y'all hear the little engine noise? Do y'all hear that? Is that normal? Just let me know. But yeah, I hear that and I'm like, But yeah, let me know if that's normal. And if you enjoyed the video, obviously hit that like button and subscribe and stay tuned. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your support. And I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Take care.